All right. Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I wanted to make this video to give you a quick outline on what I want you to do for your carbon cycle model project today. You can see here, I have our tab open with the project. This is what's going to be assigned to you. You open it up, it's going to be the carbon cycle. I have a few directions here. This video that I'm making right now is actually going to be linked in right here. Watch this to help you out because it's kind of like video directions for you in case you work on this over the weekend. I included some helpful videos and also the model that we drew in class the other day. So these are pretty good videos to talk about the carbon cycle, all 5 of them. And then this picture is like, this is what a carbon cycle model looks like. Now, don't copy this exactly. And in fact, you can't because your image is a little different. But this is kind of like what I want you guys to make. So I have a to-do list, and it's really long looking, but I promise it's not. It just is really detailed. So I want you to watch some of the videos, right? That's the first thing you should do. Watch some of these videos, re-jog your memory. Then you need to create a carbon model from scratch. So you need to have at least 2 images associated with each of these terms, right? So for respiration, show me 2 things that go through respiration. For combustion, right? Show me 2 things that go through combustion. What pushes that carbon dioxide into the atmosphere that we talked about? And then you need to show with arrows, right? Use arrows, and I'll show you how to do that to where the carbon is going, right? So example for photosynthesis, for 2 pictures, I want land plants and plants in the ocean. So here's where you're making your model, right? Here's a pretty basic picture I found, and you can actually rename this because one of the things I have on here is atmosphere, right? I have atmosphere. I want you to label the atmosphere. So what I want everyone to do is take this blank model text box and put atmosphere. And then maybe shrink it down a little bit because it's kind of big. Right? This is our atmosphere. And then this is up here. It can stay in the corner or, come on, you can move it. So I'll move it to the center, right? And I also want a picture associated with that. So just to give everyone a starting point, right, when we're inserting a picture, you need to go to this insert button up here, this insert tab. Then you need to go to image. Then you need to go search the web. And right, we're concerned about one thing, that's carbon dioxide, right? That's the gas that we're really concerned about in the atmosphere and the carbon that we're watching go through everything. So I'll even just type in carbon dioxide. Seems like a good picture. Click and drag, and there we go. I can size it and do whatever I want with it. So in the atmosphere, we'll put this little carbon dioxide molecule, right? So I want you to do that for all of these things, right? Respiration, you need to label it, respiration, and all that stuff, text box wise. So if I have something over here going through respiration, right, an animal or a plant, I need you to put that, and we'll just say, we'll use a cow. Some good cow pictures. I like this one. He's smiling. So right, this cow's going through cellular respiration. So I would have it here, and respiration, right? We know that is going to push carbon dioxide out into the atmosphere. So when we're making an arrow, you need to come over here to this little area, click on the drop down, and then there's an arrow selection. So you just click from the picture, drag up to the atmosphere, and it shows carbon dioxide going from the cow into the atmosphere. And then to label it, you just have to insert a text box, right? Just insert a text box, and this would be easier if you angle it, throw it in, right? Bam, there's that, right? And remember, I want 2 pictures for each topic, so you need another organism doing respiration. But that's all I need you to do for all of these here. The other thing I'd kind of like it if you do is if down here for yourself, right, in your speaker notes, you should have speaker notes, do something like this. So respiration. Respiration, this is the process of like breathing. This is taking in oxygen and releasing, oops, I wasn't typing, taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, right? And then just type that out for you. All right, cool. I'll see you guys later.